Well, I made jokes about it, but didn't think it would actually happen. We're supposed to leave tomorrow morning for New Jersey. Look what's going to happen tomorrow. 2 to 3 inches of snow. It was originally going to be rain. Now it's going to be snow. So we don't know what we're going to do right now. I can't leave and have 2 to 3 inches of snow happen. So unfortunately, I think we're going to be postponing the trip. Probably not fully, but we're going to be delayed in leaving, which I got to figure that out. So unbelievable. It hasn't snowed all winter, and then the 1 week we try to do something, and the original forecast was going to be all rain. Now it's going to snow. Unbelievable. Well, it's supposed to be in Atlantic City already, but unfortunately we had to delay our trip because of this white stuff coming down. We're gonna have to go out and scrape some parking lots, clean up a little bit, and then we're heading out tonight instead. So we delayed the trip about, I don't know, 12 hours or so. We're gonna leave probably about 7, 8 o'clock tonight and should get down there about 2 a.m. It's not ideal, but unfortunately it's snowing like crazy, and we're gonna get a couple inches of snow out of this. So we're heading to the shop shortly. We're gonna get the trucks and head out and clean up a little bit. This is gonna wrap up in the next hour. But I've joked about it in other videos, but that it was gonna snow this week, and look what happened. I jinxed us. It is what it is. We'll go make some money real quick, and then we'll go down to Atlantic City. Maybe we'll gamble a little bit when we're down there. So we're just getting these trucks warmed up, and we're loading up the car with all our stuff so we can head out.
Yeah, if we can fit you on, I think I can fit my
It's gotta be pretty tight.
It is gonna be really tight.
Rental car's a little small, but it is what it is. It's better than the blue truck.
Maybe yours should go on the car.
Kind of out of room for the bags already.
I need help.
I'll take the alcohol. I'll take the alcohol in the front.
I think the drink should go in the back.
I'm just kidding. I'm just getting ready to head out, getting the trucks cleaned off, warmed up. Got this one loaded with salt already. Did that the other day. I gotta get this one all situated. It's still snowing pretty good, so we're gonna see what happens in the next hour. Hopefully scrape everything, salt everything, shovel everything, and then head out to New Jersey tonight. Like I said, we were supposed to be on our way hours ago. We should already be there by now, but obviously plans changed and the weather changed. It's funny because 3 or 4 days ago this was all supposed to be rain. We got about an inch, maybe 2. Nothing crazy. It's not really sticking too much. It's just kind of slush on the ground, but it is enough. So we're gonna have to scrape and salt. Is what it is. Started putting down the salt pretty early. We actually came back about an hour later. It coated back over, but it completely melted and was down to bare pavement, so it worked out great putting the salt down. We're just trying to get out of here to go to Atlantic City. We're doing anything we possibly can to get out on the road as fast as possible. We definitely did use a little bit extra salt this storm, but it definitely got everything melted down quick and got us on the road pretty fast. Normally we'd be plowing this parking lot with our skid steer with our push box, but unfortunately we didn't expect a lot of snow, so we didn't have it up there at the property. Doing my best to try to pull the snow away from the cars and get it down the aisleway to the end. Definitely made it work, and then we salted very, very heavy, which actually melted all around the cars. The next day we were already in New Jersey, but the parking lot was completely bare pavement. Update, we're just flying along, so I'm not doing a lot of talking. We're trying to get down to Atlantic City. We're about 4 hours into it. We started plowing at 5, between 5 and 7. We got about 2 inches of snow, really snowed heavy. We got 2 more left, and I gotta go back and check on one property. Then hopefully we're gonna hit the road, get down there by like 3:30. It's gonna be a late night, but it is what it is. So we're just doing the last church now. Got 2 other places. Thankfully I got the fiance out with me. And then I got the other guys there in the back parking lot. So, really going quick. So, we're running 2 trucks tonight. I got a shovel in each truck, there's 4 of us. We're going along pretty good. I mean, I haven't got a lot of footage, talking a lot. I just head down, grind. Like I said, we're supposed to be in Atlantic City this afternoon. We're supposed to be there by 3. So, it is what it is. But we should be in pretty good shape. All the commercial stuff will be 100% done. I did not do any of our driveways. I know I might get some complaints on that, but we technically got like 3 inches of snow on like surfaces, like the cars and stuff, and only about 1.5 inches, 2 inches on the parking lots. And it's still 34, it's melting. So it's gonna be 45 degrees tomorrow. I mean, the driveway, it is what it is. But honestly, if they get mad, then I'm planning on getting rid of driveways. Hopefully you're not one of my customers, but we're planning on getting out of doing driveways altogether. We cut back significantly this year, but hopefully all together next year I just do commercial stuff. But all right, that's the last update. Hopefully next time I talk, I'm in the rental car driving down to New Jersey. So loading up one more time. We're gonna go hit everything very heavy with salt, melt everything down. We should be in really good shape. We already salted a couple of lots and they're already pretty much bare pavement. This treated salt works awesome. You really don't need a ton of it. We definitely went a little extra this storm just because we were leaving and we wanted to make sure that everything would melt and bare pavement. But this treated salt is the best thing we've invested in a while. You really don't need much of it. It works pretty much within 30 minutes. Alright, it's 10 o'clock. We just finished up our last commercial parking lot, waiting for the other truck to come back. And we are heading down to New Jersey now. It's gonna be a late night. Not supposed to get in there till probably after 3 o'clock, but the good thing there'll be no traffic going through New York City. So all in all, very surprise storm. Ended up, we just measured it just under 3 inches on like the cars here. Down low on the ground, probably about 2.5, but good amount. It's stuck. We got the plow again. Wasn't expected though. It was supposed to be this morning. It was supposed to be a coating to 2 inches, and then 2 days ago when I booked this trip down to New Jersey, it was supposed to be just rain. So it is what it is. Things like this happen. We had to adjust. We're going down a lot later than we thought, but at least we're gonna get down there. Now we just gotta watch. It's a storm Wednesday, but I think it's gonna be a little bit of snow and then rain. But good thing the guys over at McLeod Landscape, and they got us covered hopefully. If not, we'll come back. So it is what it is. They're loading up. They still got to go back out, I guess, finish up. So we share the Bobcat for the salt. They're just, I guess they got one more thing to do, and I think he's going to check my lots again in the morning, but I think we'll be good. We hit him heavy, and the treated salt that we use works real well. So didn't get a lot of talking footage this storm, but we hammered through 4 hours, got everything done, shoveled, plowed, salted. So not bad. 6 commercial parking lots in 4 hours. Good thing for fast food. I've been eating all day. Let's go to New Jersey. Hey guys, we made it to Atlantic City. I'm in the elevator, actually going back to the hotel room. Got here at 4 o'clock in the morning last night. It was a long night. We drove all the way through the night to get down here after plowing. Gonna take a nap for a little bit, but stay tuned for our next video. We'll show the whole show, all the training, all the classes, and the concert that we went to.